Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Mohammad Asmil Shah, teacher PHS Konangabra. Subject English, class 9th. To blossoms, this is the topic of today's discussion. Dear students, let's get to start with summary of the poem. This summary is very important to the examination point of view. Please have a look. In this poem, the poet addresses the lovely blossoms of a tree. He is filled with grief to see how soon the blossoms of the tree fall and fade away. Were you born to be an hour or half delight? The poet asks in surprise. He wonders why nature brought forth such lovely blossoms if they were to fade away so soon. But then he sees a deeper meaning in the fate of the blossoms. He sees them as a symbol of universal transience. Nothing in the world lives forever. All things are short-lived. Even human beings have a short life to live on this earth. Therefore, pride is but a folly. The poet compares the blossoms to the leaves of a book in which one can read. The common fate of all things, however big and beautiful, are fated to die in the end. They don't have a long time to stay on this earth. Thus, man should learn a lesson from the fate of blossom that he too, like the blossom, well live a while and then glide into the grave. Dear students, this poem is written by Robert Herrick. The poet sees in blossoms the fate of all living things. All things have a very short time to stay on this earth and then they glide into the grave. Okay? Dear students, tomorrow we'll see you again if so long. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.